The initial reason why you should hire a lawyer if you've been hurt is that the lawyer can instruct you like to take pictures of your damaged car, to take pictures of your injuries. We can tell you not to make a statement to the insurance company when they call, things like that. And so that's the number one reason. Well, that's a reason why you should hire a lawyer, pretty quickly after you've been involved in an accident. Also, we can send you to the right doctors, chiropractors, physical therapists, things like that. Kind of just be the quarterback for that initial stages of your case. But the real reason, or in my perspective, the biggest reason you should hire a lawyer is because if you try to deal with it with the insurance company directly, you're not going to make nearly as much money. You're not going to get as much compensation for your injuries as if you would if you had a lawyer. Because one of the things that the insurance companies might do is they may go to your medical doctors and get those bills reduced. And so basically, you know that in an injury case, they pay you for your medical bills and then they pay you for pain and suffering on top of that. Well, how big the medical bills will kind of go to how big your pain and suffering is going to be. Well, if you have a $10,000 hospital bill and you're going to get paid, $30,000 total for that whole case. Well, if the insurance company, if you're dealing with it with yourself without a lawyer, if the insurance company goes back to the hospital directly and gets that bill reduced down to $3,000, then instead of the $30,000, they're going to give you maybe $5,000. They're going to give you, say, here's that $3,000 we're going to give you so you get back to the hospital because they reduced that bill. And here's another $2,000 for your pain and suffering. So that's the scenario, and you'll never know the difference because